Hello everyone! Today I will explain how to use prepositional case of nouns. If you don't know what case is or you don't remember very well this material, you can follow the link in the description to this video to watch our tutorials on this topic. So, when do we use prepositional case? Prepositional case, as all other cases in Russian, has many functions, and one of them, the most important one, is to denote location of an object or a person. For example, we have a cat. Это кот. To say that the cat is in the house, you need to change the dictionary form of the noun дом. Кот в доме. And having another ending, we know that this noun denotes place. Or another example, это цветы. Цветы в вазе. You see the ending "-е", you know what role this noun plays in the sentence. Location or place of the object. Let's look how to form prepositional case. In order to do this, we need to remember about genders of Russian nouns. You know that there are three genders in Russian: masculine, feminine, and neuter. And each of these genders has specific endings. Masculine, consonant, y, soft sign. Some specific nouns that have a or ya at the end. Женский род, а, я, and soft sign. And средний род, or, е. And when you know the ending and when you know the gender of a noun, it's much easier to put it in prepositional case. If you follow these simple rules, you will do this easily. So, masculine gender doesn't matter what ending we have. In prepositional, it takes "ye". Feminine gender, if we have the endings "a", "ya", we change them to the ending "ye". If it's soft sign, it goes to "e". The ending "i", "ya", which normally belongs to the countries, it goes to "e". And neuter gender, or "ye", we change to "ye", and "i", "ye", goes to double "e", "e". Let's practice a little bit and let's put these nouns in prepositional case. Now you can stop the video and do this exercise, and then we can check it together. So, what we have at the end? Магазин becomes в магазине, Берлин в Берлине, бар в баре. Here you see that we have just consonant at the end. So when we need to put these nouns in prepositional, we just add the ending "е". Марсель в Марселе, трамвай в трамвае. Here we replace soft sign and "y" with the ending "е". Feminine nouns: комната в комнате, школа в школе, баня в бане. Италия в Италии. Кровать в кровати. In these nouns, we also do replacement of one consonant or one vowel to another one. And the same for neuter forms. Село becomes в селе, слово в слове, число в числе, море в море, здание в здании. So, we use prepositional case in the contexts when we need to answer the question где, where. Где папа? Папа в супермаркете. Где мама? Мама в Париже. Где сын? Сын в университете. If you have any questions after this video, please write them in the comments below. And don't forget to join our school to learn Russian, Russificate.